Today I'm in Chicago doing a 6-hour dumpster rental. The customer is going to load everything themselves. I'm letting them use my garbage cans. And it's a good efficient way because the customer would have had to go to Home Depot and spend $300 on garbage cans. But I allow them to use my cans and I give them 6 hours and we'll see what happens if they can get it done. This is Chicago, South Side, 6-hour dumpster rental. Want a minute? Okay, these guys are loading the dumpster themselves. They get 6 hours, 6-hour load and go today. And they're doing it pretty fast. It's only been about 30 minutes, so we'll see how they do. This is Chicago, South Side. So I'm going to check up on these customers. Customer of mine, they're doing a 6-hour rental. They have 6 hours to fill the dumpster. We're able to sit it down. Private property. Let's take a look. So far, so good. All right, they're doing a great job here. They're running it for 6 hours. They get 6 hours. They're demoing it and smashing it.
Sorry, Paul.
They're doing a great job. They smash things up like we do. They demo it. They get more in the dumpster that way. Most dumpster companies won't sit and wait, but I do. Plus, I let them use my garbage cans and shovels and brooms, so that's another advantage of using our service. You get to use our garbage cans. They would cost you $40 each at Home Depot. Today, the customer rented the dumpster from me. We're in Chicago on the South Side. They rented it for 6 hours. Let's see how they're doing. I let them use my garbage can. Oh, it's filling up pretty good. They're doing real good. All right, I'm going to get another update. This is a 6-hour load and go dumpster rental. I let the customer use my garbage cans and my brooms and shovels. They're demoing a couple walls in there.
Not pretty. It ain't pretty, man.
Looking good. Wow, look at that. They did a lot of demo in just a couple hours. Wow, that's impressive. And it's a tough load to pack. I can see it.
Yeah.
They did a lot of work in just a couple hours. Wow. They're still going. Okay. Good work. Hey, the customer did a demolition job. Gave him 6 hours. They're clearing out a commercial building here on the South Side. They did really good. Just updating. We're going to shut the halfway door in about maybe 30 minutes. And I did let them use my garbage cans, which is another selling point here. When you rent a dumpster from me, I let you use up to 12 heavy-duty Brut cans, which come in real handy. You'd have to go to Home Depot and spend about $40 a can. Whereas if you rent the dumpster from me, you can use my cans. So I gave a customer a 6-hour rental today. They did this in under 6 hours.
Yeah.
They demoed a whole bunch of walls, and I've got a whole bunch of stuff in there. And I let them use the cans, so that's an advantage of running a dumpster from me. I let them use the cans and the shovels and brooms. And you don't have to go to Home Depot and buy cans if you rent a dumpster from me. So it's working out really good.
Yeah, not too bad.
So, this is the Gage Park neighborhood of Chicago on the South Side. It's a do-it-yourself junk removal. I just provided the 50-yard dumpster. and the customers have done all this work by themselves. It's been like a couple hours. They get 6 hours maximum, and then I take it away. It worked out great because they needed these cans of mine. And they're doing really good. They're getting their money's worth today. All right, they're wrapping up this dumpster rental. These guys really know how to pack the dumpsters. They packed it really professional. Got the money. They really did a good job. Now they're going to top it off with some bags at my suggestion. And these guys really know what they're doing. They're like keeping the neighborhood clean after the dumpster's full. They're going to sweep that out. Professional. These guys are professional.
He just wants to hire us.
Very professional crew today. They did it all themselves. Do it yourself. DIY. DIY dumpster rental, 6 hours or less. Gage Park. All nice and swept up here. Nice packing job. And these are the amazing crew that just packed 50-yard dumpster in like less than 5 hours. This is Gage Park, Chicago. Signing out. Till next time. Look at the size of this load. This guy really knew. They really knew how to pack it tight. Look at the size of that load. Wow. That's it.